Welcome! The Eldorado CELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
Go to the Administration tab on the navigation bar. Select Release Forms in Use. Locate the student record in the form list. Click on the icon. Click the Yes button to unlock the form. A confirmation message will appear on the lower right of the screen. Form released successfully.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss future updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of Eldorado CELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.